Specs and photos of the upcoming DJI Mavic Air 2 has been leaked, and while it doesn't look to be a totally revolutionary update with any dynamite new features, the drone maker has made some key improvements where it counts. As per the leak, the spec includes half-inch 12MP CMOS sensor capable of 48MP stitched stills, 4K video, top speed 68.4 km/h, maximum flight time 34 minutes, full HD image transmission to smartphone, OcuSync 2.0, and 8 km range. The drone will also allegedly feature version 3.0 of AI-powered active track and point of interest features, as well as advanced pilot assistance 2.0. The biggest improvements, assuming these specs turn out to be true, come in the sensor's capabilities and the drone's flight time. The original Mavic Air could only stay up for 21 minutes at a time, and the previous sensor could only capture 32MP stitched panoramas. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is expected to be officially announced via live stream on the 27th of April.